Om Shanti, 13th June 2020. In today's Murli, Shiv Baba has talked about the incognito effort of purity that we Brahmin children are supposed to put on the Sangam Yuga. Shiv Baba says that you should not have any sight of impurity for anybody. Instead, you should have the vision of a pure Brahma Kumar and Kumari for every soul around. Because if you have the sense of male and female, if you have gender consciousness, so the subtle achievement of purity cannot be achieved. And if we really want to become pure from the core of our hearts, so it's important to be in the consciousness of our real identity, and that is to be soul conscious. Shiv Baba has also talked about the love for the Father. Like he said, if we remain soul conscious, so the love for the Father will remain constant. And there is no point of sitting in a corner and then trying to remember Shiv Baba, because Murli or this spiritual journey is all about the love and affection for one Father throughout the life. Because we had enough loved the bodies around us when we were body conscious. So now it's time to be soul conscious, and thereby the one who is absolutely impressive in terms of souls, that is Shiv Baba, will there be in our awareness constantly. Shiv Baba has also talked about the connection between Vishnu and Brahma. Like he says, Brahma so Vishnu and Vishnu so Brahma. However, Shiv Baba is specifically talking about Brahma Baba. But likewise, Shiv Baba often says that we all are Master Brahma. So in order to uplift or in order to enhance the efforts that we are putting on this Sangam Yuga, it's important to remember that we are the inheritance, or we are the heirs of Brahma Baba. We'll be meeting Brahma Baba in Satyug, or we can say we should put enough efforts so that we become a part of royal family of Brahma Baba in Satyug. Because we are also Master Brahma, and thereby we'll be becoming Master Vishnu, follow Father. Shiv Baba has also talked about the sapling of Deitism, that definitely the trunk of this religion, that is Deitism, has absolutely degraded. But now here on Sangam Yuga, Shiv Baba is finally putting the sapling of Deitism once again in every 5,000 years, or after every 5,000 years Shiv Baba does on Sangam Yuga, that is at the completion of one world cycle. So the care and maintenance of this sapling that is being planted by Shiv Baba is totally in the hands of we Brahmin children. That how much are we how much are we sharing the seed of knowledge or Deitism with remembrance, implementation, service, churning the knowledge is dependent on our efforts. How much are we implementing the thing when Shiv Baba says, remain pure, don't touch anybody of opposite gender? This is the initial effort that Baba is telling. Because always Shiv Baba says Brahmacharya is not just about renunciating yourself from that practice, but it's also about inculcating the acharan of Brahma. That is the character of Brahma Baba. How Brahma Baba was, how pure Brahma Baba was, how renunciating act Brahma Baba performed. All that will count in terms of being a brahmachari. So this is what Shiv Baba guides in everyday's Murli, and that he's doing today. And also he said that we are the children of God. So there is no point of letting our intellects be seated on throne, which means kata, anything that can hurt yourself or anybody around us. He is the bestower of blessings and knowledge, and today he is blessing us by saying that may you become a bestower of fortune for the world and receive everyone's love by renouncing name and respect. The sense of the greed for name and fame, because often Shiv Baba says that there is enough greed for materialistic items in this world, but the greatest greed is that of name and we can say fame, name and fame, Nam Man Shan. So Shiv Baba says, when you renunciate the sense of name and fame from this old world or from this world, then you become a bestower of fortune for everybody, irrespective of their religion, race, and everything. Shiv Baba also said, it's important to do the service of making others equal to you. Because we have so many examples, like we have Mahatma Gandhi, we have Jawaharlal Nehru, we have all great prime ministers of this world, even this country. But the question arises that how many prime ministers and Gandhi were manufactured by those original Gandhis? And the another thing that we can see is Brahma Baba has actually manufactured Master Brahma through his acts, deeds and Mansa Seva. So the greatest service is nothing but to making someone exactly like you, or making someone reach to the exact position, the mental position at which you are. Om Shanti.